Yo, you guys, my guys, thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you through the way that you're going to take care of your suits. So you might have a suit, but you don't know how you're going to take care of it. So thing number one, make sure you rotate your suits. And if you don't have a suit, make sure you buy your suit at Loaded Up Suits. Yeah, link in the description down below. Turn you on. So point number two, make sure you use a fabric on top of your suit when you're ironing it, or you use a steamer. Because when you use the iron box directly on your suit, it makes it kind of shiny, and it loses its aesthetic value. You can say that. Yeah. So thing number three, make sure you hang your suit after you've worn it. Let's say you had a long day, a nice day at the meeting, or you had an event, kitu kama hiyo, taniua. Make sure ukirudi bana, take your suit, hang it there. Don't just throw it mazee pale kwa bed or something bana. It will give it those wrinkles. Unashanga hizi wrinkles zimetoka wapi? And it's because you're not using those 3 seconds. Ukivua tu hivi, you hang it somewhere. And make sure you use a nice hanger, a wooden hanger or a plastic hanger for suits, not the typical one you use for shirts. And last but not least, make sure you brush your suits. Ukivua, una brush. Before you wear it, you brush it. Yeah, not the brush you use for your shoes. Just buy a specific brush for your suits. Yeah. So those are the tips for you today. Today I was at Studio Bela. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Shout out to Evans Enoc. Turn you on. See you next time. Mark, continue disliking this video. Turn you on.